Hello, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a working doorbell. Now you find a lot of videos on YouTube called how to make a doorbell. This is the original one. Just do like this. Do the same what I'm doing here. You need to cover up the walls and then need to find a spot and then look. Wait. Okay. See? It sounds. And now you need to put the other note block over here. Not in the top, okay? But this is how you do it. Okay, there we go. Now cover up the walls and just do like this. I'm just using stone bricks instead, but look. See? It's working. Now and then the next trick I'm gonna show you is this one. You can color these ones. That's possibly a trick, but if you're in iOS, just put the end button and then slide, because you will see like something, and then choose any number and it will be like crayon, like colors. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm bad at English. Okay, just do like this. You can do any sign, but for me it's just like this. See? And then now decorate your place to the doorbell. I'm just gonna put it with anvils and then leaves, just like that. It's up to you for the design, but for me it's just like this. And then I'm gonna make some couches. I know I'm bad, but I made this house. Now show you what you got. Okay, now let's get back. Now we need some stone bricks again, because I like. Okay, my phone is getting since my phone is not charged, I'm gonna end this video quickly as possible. So I'm just gonna do like a couple of designs and then we're finished. See you for a second. Okay, now for you can place any door over here or whatever, and then say your friends that you have a working doorbell. It's like this. Okay, now the video's done, but make sure to subscribe and like the video, because I hope this helped you out. Bye.